In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to end or pause your dash in the Dasher app. If you're out on a dash and need to wrap up or take a quick break, the app gives you simple controls to manage your shift without stress. Let's walk through exactly where to tap and what each option means, so you can make the right choice in the moment. While you're actively dashing, start by opening the in-app controls. Look to the top left for the menu icon, or tap the gear icon if you see it on your screen. Do this when you're parked or safely stopped, never while moving. These icons both take you to the same place where you can adjust your current session. From there, choose End Dash. This is the option you'll use when you're ready to finish your shift and go offline. Think of End Dash as officially closing your session so you won't receive any more delivery offers. If you try to end your dash but you currently have an active order, the app will prompt you. You have two choices. You can complete that delivery first, which is the best option if you're close to drop off and want to finish strong. Or if you're done after the current run, select Stop Orders after this delivery. That tells the app to let you complete what's already in progress, and then it will automatically take you offline, so no new orders come in afterward. It's a clean way to finish up without leaving a customer waiting or missing an offer you didn't want. Now, if you don't actually want to end your shift and you only need a short break, maybe to grab water, stretch, or handle a quick errand, choose Pause Orders instead of ending your dash. Pausing temporarily stops new offers from coming in, but your dash stays active in the background. When you're ready, you can simply return to the app and continue receiving orders without starting a brand new session. Here's a quick way to decide. If you're done for now and don't plan to come back soon, use End Dash. If you just need a breather and want to keep your session open, use Pause Orders. Ending your dash fully closes your session, while pausing keeps your shift active. That's all there is to it. Open the menu or gear icon, select End Dash when you're finished, choose to complete your current order or stop after it, and use Pause Orders for short breaks. With these options, you stay in control of your time and your earnings throughout your dash.